In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up in Bill.com. By the end, you'll have a fully set up account that's ready to send and receive payments for your business. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your web browser and go to bill.com/signup. This is the official sign up page, so make sure the address looks correct before you continue. Once the page loads, you'll see options that help Bill understand how you plan to use the platform. Next, you'll be asked to select your interest. This usually means choosing what you want to do with Bill.com, such as managing bill payments for your business, handling vendor payments, or paying contractors. Take a moment to pick the option that best matches how you plan to use the service. Choosing the right interest helps Bill.com tailor your experience and show you the tools that are most useful for you. After that, you'll move on to providing your basic account information. Here, you'll enter your name, your email address, and create a password. Use an email you check regularly, since this is where you'll receive important notifications and verification messages. For your password, choose something strong and unique, combining letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using anything that's easy to guess, like common words or personal details. Once your login details are set, you'll be prompted to set up multi-factor authentication. This is an extra layer of security that helps protect your account, even if someone gets hold of your password. You'll provide a mobile number where Bill.com can send a verification code. Each time you log in from a new device, you may be asked to enter a code sent to your phone. Make sure you have access to this number and keep your phone nearby during setup. Now it's time to enter your business details. You'll select your account type, such as a business, a sole proprietor, or another structure that fits how you operate. Then you'll enter basic company information along with required details about the business owner. This information is needed for federal compliance and to verify that your business is legitimate. Take your time and make sure everything you enter is accurate and matches your official documents. Next, you'll add the bank information for the account you want to use to send and receive payments. You can connect your bank electronically by signing in through your bank's secure portal, which is usually the fastest option, or you can add it manually by entering your routing and account numbers. Double-check all the numbers before saving, since mistakes here can delay your payments. Finally, Bill.com will verify your bank account. To do this, they'll send a small test deposit, often just 1 cent, to the bank account you added. Once that test deposit appears in your bank activity, you may need to go back into Bill.com and confirm the amount. This step proves that your account can receive payments and that you have access to it. After you've completed these steps and confirmed that small deposit, your Bill.com account is fully set up and ready to use. You can now start managing your bills and payments securely and efficiently.